Good morning, students. Today I will discuss now homogeneous equation of differential equation. How to solve homogeneous equation of differential equation. Okay. Now general form homogeneous means here the power of the variable are same. Suppose I am writing. Look at here. dy dx equal to f of y by x. The general form. See, power x, y by x. Both the power y also 1, x also 1, or f of y square by x square, or y cube by x is cube. The power is same. Keep in mind. Now this type of sum, differential equation, how to solve? So let us consider first. Let y equal to vx. Both the function of x. Okay. Now dy dx, you can add v plus x into dv dx. V plus x into dv dx. Okay. Now you put the value here. V plus x into dv dx equal to f of v. Now x dv dx equal to f of v minus v. Okay. So we can write dv by f of v minus v equal to dx by x. We can write. Now integrating both sides plus c. It is general form is coming. Method of separation of variable. Okay. See v function in dv and x function dx. Now integrating both the sides. Okay, we will get the result. So this is the general form of homogeneous equation. Okay. How to find the differential equation, okay, of homogeneous equation. See, dy dx equal to f of y by x. Here the value of power of y 1, x also 1. Let me y square by x square, y cube by x square. So keep in mind here power is same. Power is same. So y equal to vx. Now dy dx product will apply to v plus x into dv dx. So dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx. This value is put here. So v plus x dv dx equal to f of v. Now x dv dx equal to f of v minus v. Now dv by f of v minus v, you take that side. So dx by x. So this is the general form of differential equation. Okay. Now I am solving. How to do? Look at here. See, suppose dy dx equal to y by x plus y square by x square. This is given. How to solve? See, look at the power is same. Now you put here y equal to vx. So you can write dy dx v plus x into dv dx. Okay, just to put the value v plus x into dv dx equal to y by x v plus v square. Okay. Now this we cancel. So you can write x into dv dx equal to v square. So here dv by v square. You can write dx by x. Now integrating both sides plus c. So this part will be minus 1 by v. This will be log of x mod x plus constant c. This is the answer. Now put the value v y by x. So v will be y by x. So it will be x by y. Okay. So this part will be minus x by y equal to log mod x plus c. Log c also. This will suppose log k, log x k. Okay. Up to this is okay, no problem. We will get the marks. Okay. So y by x plus y square by x square is given. This is and the homogeneous equation of differential equation. Okay. Homogeneous equation. Because the power are same, both the numerator and denominator power both are same. Now you put y equal to vx. Then dy dx equal to v plus x into dv dx. Now v plus x dv dy dx, you put the value v plus x dv dx equal to y by x v plus v square. Now both v cancel. So x dv dx equal to v square. Now dv by v square equal to dx by x plus c. So this part will be minus 1 by v. This will be log x plus c. So minus x by y equal to log x plus c. Okay. Now next one. Suppose dy dx equal to y by x plus tan of y by x. This term. Similar type of sum is there. So write y equal to vx, y equal to vx. So dy dx equal to v plus x into dv dx. Thus put the value v plus x into dv dx equal to v plus tan v. Both v cancel. So x dv dx. So we are getting tan v. Okay. Now write dv by tan v equal to dx by x. Now integrating both sides plus constant c. So 1 by tan v means so you will be write cot v dv. dx by x means log x plus log, write constant k. Both are log coming. Okay, that's c. You can write log k. So cot v dv log sin v equal to log of ck. Sorry, kx. Both are log cancel. So you can write sin v equal to kx, sin y by x equal to kx. This is the answer. Sin y by x equal to kx. Okay, just copy. You have to copy from. Okay. Now write, suppose dy dx equal to x square plus y square by x square plus xy. Okay, see, similar type of sum is there. Here homogeneous equation, both the power 2. So write y equal to vx. So write y equal to vx. So dy dx you can write v plus x into dv dx. Thus you put the value v plus x into dv dx equal to x square plus v square x square by x square plus ay vx, that is vx square is there now. Y equal to vx. Now both x square cancel. 1 plus v square by 1 plus v. Now you can write here x dv dx equal to 1 plus v square by 1 plus v minus v. So write 1 plus v square minus v square by 1 plus v. Both v cancel now. So 1 minus v by 1 plus v. Here x into dv dx. Okay. Now I can write here 1 plus v into dv, 1 plus v into dv by 1 minus v. Okay, dv equal to dx by x. Now integrating both sides. So this part you can write v plus 1, same is right. So v plus 1 by right v minus 1 writing. Okay, just the minus sign is there. Look at here, 1 minus v. So write v minus 1 minus v minus sign. So here dv equal to, this will be integration dx by x plus c. So this part you can write minus v minus 1 plus 2 you can write v minus 1 dv, v plus 1 numerator. So denominator v minus 1. You have to equal of denominator. So v minus 1 here. So v minus 1 plus 2 you can write. So v plus 1 is there. So v minus 1 dv equal to, so this part in log mod x plus c. Okay, Now so this part will be minus this by this dv minus 2 dv by v minus 1 log of x plus c. So right, this is minus v minus 2 log of v minus 1 equal to log of mod x plus c. So this part v y by x you know, minus 2 log of y by x minus 1 mod equal to log of mod x plus c. This is the answer, right? Or that is just have to change c equal to log k then log x k, like that you can write no problem. Up to this you will get the marks, full marks. Okay. Next one. Suppose dy dx y minus x by suppose y plus x. This type of form. So let y equal to vx, you put y equal to vx, so right, y equal to vx, so dy dx equal to v plus x into dv dx. So you can write, just you put v plus x into dv dx equal to vx minus x by vx plus x, x cancel, v minus 1 by v plus 1. So here x dv dx equal to v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus v. So v minus 1 minus v square minus v by v plus 1 you can write. Okay. Now v cancel, so at minus 1 plus v square by v plus 1. Okay. Now see v plus 1 by v square plus 1 dv equal to, right, minus dx by x plus constant k, suppose here write both side integration. So this part you can write, see v by v square plus 1 dv plus this part, two method, v by dv by v square plus 1 equal to minus ln x log x plus constant k. Okay. Now so this part will be, if this is constant, this is z, 2v plus 1 dv dz, this will be half, so at half log of v square plus 1 this part. Okay. Plus this will be tan inverse v equal to log of minus log x plus constant k. So write 1 by 2 log of y square by x square plus 1 plus tan inverse v, that is y by x equal to k minus log x. This is the answer. Copy first, all of you copy first. Okay, complete. Next sum. So x dy minus y dx equal to x square plus y square of dx. Okay. See, So right here you can write x dy equal to y plus x square plus y square of dx you can write. So dy dx equal to y by x plus, so x square plus y square by x. Okay, now you put y equal to vx, okay, y equal to vx, then dy dx equal to v plus x into dv dx. So you can write v plus x into dv dx equal to v plus x square plus v square x square by x. Both we cancel now, so you take that side, so x square dv dx we can write, so x square plus v square x square, both sides x square cancel, so write dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square, okay, 1 plus v square. So you can write here say dv by 1 plus v square equal to dx. Okay, right now integrating both sides plus constant c, so this will be tan inverse v equal to x plus c. So tan inverse, this is y by x equal to x plus c. This is the answer. Right, copy first, all of you copy. Okay, now next one. Next sum I am doing, okay. See, very important sums is there. X dy minus y dx root under x square plus y square of dx. Y dx, x dy minus y dx equal to root under x square plus y square of dx. Okay, so right, so x dy y plus root x square plus y square of dx we can write. So dy dx y by x plus root under x square plus y square by x. Okay, now y समान vx put, so dy dx v plus x dv dx. Okay, just put the value v plus x into dv dx, v plus x square y square v square x square. So write x square plus v square x square by x. Now v plus x dv dx equal to v. So y equal to vx is there, no? Yes, right. You write here y equal to vx. Okay, now take x common, we will cancel no x. So v plus here x square is there, so root 1 plus v square, here x square, take x square common, root under, so it will be x. So x into root 1 plus v square, so vx plus x into root 1 plus v square by x, both x common, x cancel. Okay, now dv cancel, so write dv by root under 1 plus v square equal to dx by x. Now integrating both sides plus constant c. So this part all of you know, log v plus root under 1 plus v square equal to, this will be log x We can write all log is there, so log k, okay, log k, log v plus root 1 plus v square, root log x plus log k. Now so the log cancel, both the log cancel, so we can write v plus 1 plus v square equal to x into constant k, vy by x root 1 plus y square by x square equal to x into k. So y plus x square plus y square by x. So here x square k. This is the answer. This is the general solution. This is the general solution. Okay, this is very important stuff, keep in mind, very important stuff. So next one I am showing, the last one. dy dx equal to x into y plus x by y into y minus x, this one, okay, x into okay, so no, here x into y plus x, y into y minus. Now put y equal to bx, homogeneous to this one, xy plus x square, y square minus xy. Now put y equal to bx, so dy dx equal to v plus x into dv dx, okay. So put the value v plus x into dv dx equal to x vx, that is x square v plus x square by v square x square y vx v square x square minus vx, that is vx square, okay. Now take here x square common, v plus 1, here x square common, v square minus v, both x cancel, okay. Now x dv dx v plus 1 by v square minus v can write. So here v plus 1 minus v cube plus v square by v square minus v, okay. Now so v square minus v by here v plus 1 minus v cube plus v square equal to bx by x, integrating both sides plus c. So this part is there, dv, okay. Take v common, v minus 1, here is minus v cube plus v square plus v plus 1, okay, dv equal to mod x plus c, okay. This is dv. Take v square common, so 1 minus v, it is not factorization, no factorization. V square minus v, so v square minus v If you take this is 3v square, one not coming. So the process is that, okay. So any mistakes are there, okay. So this is the process. Maybe some any mistakes are there, okay. Suppose x plus y over 1 minus x is there, mistakes are so this is the process. You can solve it like that, okay. You have to solve this part. Okay, whatever today we discuss now, you have to practice at home, okay. And next class I will discuss only one is left, that is homogeneous, that is linear differential equation is there, okay. So method of substitution already discussed, no problem is there. The homogeneous equation, and left that is with the help of integrating factor we have to do, that is the linear differential equation is very important also there, okay. Linear differential equation, okay. Okay, bye. No more today.